Oh, it's been one of those weeks. Yep, try voiceover. Nope, the mixer's down on quiet. Try and export a video. Nope, Premiere knocks the last 2 minutes off the video. So we'll turn around and we'll throw a minute ride video together on the Big Red. Stuff that you guys missed in the other video when I was pulling stuff around and doing all the yard work. Wasn't many views on the videos, so maybe you guys will get a little bit more views on this one. It's just over a minute long. Hang out, enjoy the riding fun. Me goofing around on the old Big Red doing stuff that was never designed to do. Yes, this is how people got hurt in the 80s. Yes, this is why they got banned in the 80s. But hey, it's not the 80s anymore. This is 2024. Let's go out there, have fun, show these people that trikes are not as dangerous as they think they are. It was all rider issues. Really didn't have much to do with the vehicle itself. Had a lot to do with the booze that was included with the riding. Common sense, people. If you're gonna drink and drive, bad things are gonna happen. Don't do it. Really appreciate the views, appreciate the support. I'll see y'all in the next one. Have a great day.